Country Public Library, and today I'm in the Nature Explorium because I'm going to show you some ideas that you will be able to use for your nature sketchbook. So in your make and take bag you will get a sketchbook, a glue stick, some colored pencils, and a whole bunch of leaf stickers. Some other good things to have on hand, but you don't need, but they're a good idea if you have them, are a pencil and some safety scissors. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a walk around the Nature Explorium. I'm going to collect some leaves and some acorns and other things that I can use in my nature sketchbook. So I've already taken a walk around the Nature Explorium and I collected some things that I will be crafting with. So I collected some leaves, some acorns, some ferns, and let's see what we can make with this. Sketchbook is I'm going to take some leaves I found. I'm going to put them underneath the first page, and I'm going to use the bottom part of the leaf where it's nice and like veiny and like has like a texture. So I'm going to put that part facing up. I'm going to now take a colored pencil and I'm just going to shade in where the leaf is. To find the biggest leaf that you can find. So I found this one, and I'm going to take the safety scissors and I'm going to cut this leaf in half. Now I'm going to take the glue stick . Do it gently, otherwise the leaf might rip. So, and now I'm going to just glue this on the page. Now you can either take a pencil or one of the colored pencils. I'm going to use a pencil, and I'm going to use this as a challenge to try to draw the other half of the leaf that's now missing. This is a good way to practice drawing things symmetrical, and also a good way to practice shading. So you can use cross hatches, and that like gives it like a texture. Or you could color it in, but I wanted to make it look opposite, so that's why I wanted to do the side black and white, so this side being color. But that's up to you. You can can try all different types of things, not just leaves. You can even try a flower. So if I just carefully break this off. You can try with really tiny things too. And then I will carefully try to draw on the missing petals. Another idea is to practice drawing still life. So you can find something in nature and then you can practice drawing it. So I'm going to use this acorn that I found. Practice drawing tiny things like this, or you can look around, look at the trees, maybe try drawing some trees that are around you, or flowers, or bushes, anything you want. So I'm going to draw a tree now. So we used Study in Real Life to draw this page. So on the next page, what I'm going to do is use my imagination. So with some of the things that I collected, I'm going to use the glue and I'm going to glue these down. And I'm going to use this to create one of my favorite animals. So I used some leaves to create a deer, and I incorporated it together. Done drawing in my nature sketchbook. So these are all the different types of ideas that you can use in yours. So those are just some suggestions for what you can create in your nature sketchbook, but since it's your sketchbook, it's completely up to you and you can draw whatever you want or create whatever you want, but those are just some examples to help get you started. So I hope you have fun creating in your nature sketchbook, and thank you for